Okay, so this is my Rubik's Cube that I just assembled. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble it. Put it down there. As you can see, I broke it. I popped up a cube again, like yesterday. So I have it. So now I'm going to do, I'm going to put the blue piece. Oh! And so I'm going to put this one piece and put it right here. Sometimes it's looking on here, so I go with Dad. So I have to do that. Get down here. Put there. Oh. There we go. Oh, there we go. Hold on. You have it like this, and it'll put the app a little more in. No, take this put it right there. Oh, there we go. Here, take another piece. Oh, I can't find a piece. There he is. It's gonna be that. Yeah. But because I need to put the bottom piece, but okay. I'm gonna put it down there. Come on. More, a little bit more. There. I need more down there. Okay, so what do I do? And well, step out of this. But I never dropped that. There we go. Oh, fix it. There we go. Oh. Uh-oh. There, we'll have it like this. Then take the red piece. Oh no, I broke it again. Where is it? I don't see it. I broke it again.
You drop it somewhere. I don't know.
We will continue part 2.